my life. Oh.
Hello mga kapepen, for today I'm gonna teach you on how to make YouTube thumbnails. So someone requests this one on my blog, so I'm gonna show you how. It's actually free and super easy. You just need time, and you need to be creative on making YouTube thumbnails. So I usually use these three apps: Background Eraser, Snapseed, and Pixellab. So these three applications you have to download first, and I usually use first Background Eraser, so I'm gonna show you how. So this is the Background Eraser, load and photos. So these are the photos that I took yesterday for me to create my thumbnail. You just choose, for example, this one. You just crop as much as possible so you don't need to erase a lot of background. Press down. It's either you use magic or manual. So I usually use magic. To make it very neat, just can smoother, just press 2, and that's it. Save. And after you save, you exit. Since you already saved, you can just exit. And after that, you go to Pixellab. You press this 2 square, press image size, then choose YouTube thumbnail. So this is the width and the height, and the ratio should be 16:9. So press OK. Then you press this plus sign, go to from the gallery, and then choose the image that you grab. And then if you want to, there's a lot of sizes here, but you just choose this one since our background is already 16:9. So let's check. Just adjust. And for the background, if you want to change it, you just press color. You can choose either gradient or color. So I will choose this one. Okay. Then for the text, I will put how to make how to make. So for the size, you go to the A sign, look for the size. If you want it smaller or you want bigger, it's up to you. Just press. Then if you want to choose the font, you just go to AB font. For example, I want to choose this one, Nevis. Press OK. Then if you want to put background to make it look clear, especially for the, depends on the color that you want to make. Press enable. Then I just choose this one, the gray background, to check. Then if you want to put the YouTube image, the YouTube logo, just go to Google and Google YouTube logo transparent. So I already downloaded it earlier. Let's choose this one. Okay guys, if you want to emphasize your image, if you want to put shadow, for example, there's a shadow in your shadow and in boost. I always choose like shadow. So enable, and you can choose different color. It's up to you. So I choose white. It's okay. And the image also, you can make or put shadow. I will put white. So press check. Then we need to complete this sentence. So we will press the A again and put text. We'll put thumbnails. For the size, okay, this one again. Okay. Let's put background enabled. Then if you want to change the font color, you just go to color. Then we will change the font. Same font. Yeah, this. That's okay. If you want to make it wider for the background, just press the space. Then yeah. You want to change the color, for example, make a different color. And the background, you can also choose. Yeah, something like this. Then put another text. Put free and easy. Choose it in the size. It's okay. In the color, white. In the font size, navy. You can choose so many kinds of font size. In the background, it's okay, and that's it. And if you want to put another image, example your previous thumbnail, look at my previous thumbnail. We'll choose this one. Make it smaller. If you want to just a little bit slanted, just do like this. Another one, just another one, like thumbnails that we did last time. Go to gallery. That's everything. Make it smaller, then slant it. If you want to emphasize, again, press to that object. Next, enable, select, and check. Then if everything is okay already, if you're satisfied with the image, you can just save it. You can also draw. For example, I want to draw something like this one. Press this one, the brush, the draw, like this, yeah, something like this. You can draw anything. Then if you not happy, it's not nice, you just press the object and then erase. Trash, then press OK. Yeah. Okay. Time to draw again. Press again. Something like this. And if you're okay now, you can just press this and save image. Save to gallery. After that, you go to Snapseed. I usually use this Snapseed for the image filter. I always use either the pop or the accenture. After you choose the filter, check and then export, then save. Okay guys, so after you make the YouTube thumbnails, after finishing it, so you just have to upload it on YouTube. So, and how to do it, you just download this application, YT Studio, shortened of YouTube Studio. You just press on that, and then you just choose which video you want to add the YouTube thumbnail. for example, this first video, then you press this pen image, edit thumbnail, go to custom thumbnail, and then you will see all the images. Just go to your camera, use Snapseed because that's where we save our thumbnails earlier, and then you choose this one, then select, save, and that's it. Then you can just refresh your YouTube videos. There you go. That's it, guys. So hope you learned something for today. So please comment down below for any requests that you want me to do, or anything that you want me to teach you on how to do something about in YouTube. So please comment, like, and share this video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe.